Do you want 2021 to be a repeat of 2020, or do you want to make 2021 the best year of your life? In this video, I'm going to go over some mindset things as well as some actual tangible steps that you can make to make 2021 the best year of your life and put 2020 in the rearview mirror. We're going to be talking about how you can be a better you, specifically through the lens of becoming wealthier through real estate. Because money's not everything, but man, it's nice to have a passive income source and have extra sources of income where you can either have more money and maybe help more people or do more things or have more freedom, or so you can quit your job. 2020 was a crazy year. So many good companies had to lay off thousands and hundreds of thousands of people because of a crazy, event that happened that no one knew was going to happen. So if you were your own boss during that time, a sustainable income source and a sustainable business that real estate investing is and can be, you were affected very minimally and you had control over your future and your financial freedom. Before I get into the details, make sure you stay to the end to hear Maisie's joke of the day. And everybody, just let's do a old people's elbow to that like button. Just hit that like button. All I want you to do and enjoy the video. I'd appreciate that. I'm going to show you what I think is some great and pivotal first steps you can take to become wealthy through real estate in this video, but the change doesn't start just by watching this video. The change starts with you. You need to take this into account as well as other people's advice and other things. You don't just need to only listen to me, but you need to take this to heart and think about if you do want to change. The change starts with you, not with watching some dork in a vest on YouTube. You need to do it yourself and you need to take accountability and take action so you can make 2021 the best year of your life. I was having lunch with Shazad, my main man. This guy right here, awesome fist bump. We were talking about our 2021 videos that we wanted to shoot for YouTube. We plan ahead a little bit and get these out and record these ahead of time. And we were thinking of the best impact we could make. Yeah, we want you guys to sign up for our live rental academy that helps change people's lives. Yeah, we want you to sign up for our mastermind that meets weekly, monthly, and a couple times a year. But that's honestly not the goal of this video. The goal of this video is to help you by setting some groundwork, setting some mindset, and giving you a few actionable items that you can go after. After watching this video, you're not gonna be a millionaire, as cool as that would be if you're not already, but after watching this video, you can be. You can be a millionaire by the end of 2021. I just shot a video with Cam. I don't know if it's coming out before or after this video. That doesn't really matter, but he literally added $1 million to his net worth in 2020 by listening and doing the things that we taught and we preach and being a part of our academies and our masterminds and all that kind of stuff. I did a lot of it on his own as well, and you can too. So let's get going. Let's get that mindset right. The first thing that I need you to shift your mind on is stop thinking like this is the 1400s. You do not need cash in your pocket to become wealthy through real estate. We're not going to go into detail, but if you have no cash and no credit, you can wholesale real estate. We have a ton of videos. Here's one up here flashing on how to wholesale. You can fix and flip if you don't have money or credit. You can use other people's money to buy a property, fix it up, and sell it. There's a video on here on fixing and flipping. And the third, which is my favorite, my personal favorite, as well as the most powerful, I don't really think that's an opinion, the most powerful in wealth building is buying rentals with the BRRRR method, the BRRRR strategy, using other people's money. This is the only one that you do need a little bit of credit for. So either use your own credit. If you don't have it, then partner with someone that has credit. So all three of those are ways to invest in real estate with no money and little credit to no credit. So don't let that stop you. Shift your mindset and understand that utilizing other people's money, utilizing debt and leveraging debt to buy cash producing assets, or you don't even need money to wholesale. Stop thinking that you need money or experience to get involved in real estate. After watching this video and one of my other videos, you will know more than I knew. Any of them, pick one of them. You'll know more than I knew after I had probably 5 or 10 rentals. If you watch several of them, you'll know more than I knew after I had 25 rentals. So stop sitting on the sideline. Don't let money or experience or credit get in the way. Shift your mind, understand that using debt, sorry Dave Ramsey, is okay if you're buying good cash producing assets. If you're using somebody else's money to buy a boat that you're gonna drive once a month, that is not good debt. But if you get into good debt and buy something that produces cash, it is a good thing, and it can make you wealthier than you could ever imagine, sooner than you could ever imagine. Now, here's some actionable steps that you can take. I'm gonna talk about a lot of my stuff on here, but guess what? A lot of my stuff is free and it can help you. So I'm gonna give you the tools that you can use to get started and set a foundation. And if you want more, obviously we can give you more. We do have some paid things, but I'm just gonna talk about our free stuff because this video is made to help you. So if you're just getting started in any business, any industry, I say this all the time, but you need to have a source of base of knowledge, and then you need to have a community and accountability. Whether you're starting a muffler shop, whether you're starting an Amazon store, whether you're starting a restaurant, or you're investing in real estate, you need to have those two things. So you can get the base of knowledge for free from me. I have over 120 YouTube videos up to this point. While I'm recording, by the time this comes out, it might be close to 130. And I have people send me messages on Instagram all the time saying that they are making thousands, a couple of people, tens of thousands of dollars by watching my YouTube for free. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe, like, follow, all that fun stuff that everybody tells you to do that, because that's going to give you the base of knowledge. We cover wholesaling, flipping, renting, we cover everything on this channel, and it's free. So make sure you get that at least source of knowledge. That's the first thing that you need. So go do that. The second thing you need is you need the accountability and you need the community. You get this by doing what I'm about to tell you. Pay attention and just go do it. This literally will take you 5 minutes, and it can help set you the foundation and start to stair step up to where you eventually want to be. And that is join your local real estate investing Facebook groups. I say it all the time, but go do it. You don't even have to, if your town doesn't have one, join the local towns around or join everyone in your state, whatever your state is. Just go join them. Now, yeah, there's gonna be some BS on there. Yeah, there's gonna be some properties that are shopped that aren't the best. And you know, you might not get answered every question, but it is a start. We are starting you off on the right path here in 2021. Go to the group icon and type in real estate investing group, real estate investing meetup, real estate, whatever it is, and join all those groups and spend the next few weeks immersing yourself in the group and seeing which ones are worthwhile and which ones are not. There's some national ones as well. Actually, we have a national one that's pretty good. The link's in the bottom of my description here on this YouTube video. The other thing you need to do is you need to go to meetup.com. Join your local real estate investing meetup groups. Every decent sized town has one. Like I said, if your town doesn't have one, don't pout about it. Go join the local one. I almost guarantee if you drive within an hour, and almost everybody that's watching this video, there's going to be a meetup somewhere, someplace. So go to meetup.com. Join your local real estate investing meetup groups. When you search, type in your area if Google already doesn't know where you are, and type in real estate investing and start to join those groups. You might join 5 Facebook groups and 3 meetups, and all but 1 or 2 might be, you know, not where you want to be or not be good groups, but it's okay. You're starting the process and you're getting involved in one group, because one meetup can change your life. Check out this video above. My man Dusty was he was recently divorced, 4 kids, living in his parents' basement. He had a good job, but just got divorced. And he didn't really know what he wanted with his life. He came to our meetup, our buyers club, and from that very day, there was a fire lit in him. He made all the connections he needed on, you know, that initial meeting, and he started to find properties, and he has 36 rental doors in the past 3 years. His rental portfolio is several million, and it all started with putting himself out there and going to a meeting even when he has a low point in his life. So go get yourself out there. If you're an introvert, you gotta have to put yourself out there a little bit. I know a lot of very quiet and subtle people that are extremely successful in real estate. I know a lot of loud, out there people that are very successful. Cam, everybody can be successful in real estate no matter what type of background you come from, or what type of mindset you have, or even what type of funding sources or anything. You can be successful in real estate. Stop putting excuses out there. I know so many people that have been successful in real estate that have come from horrible backgrounds. I know a ton of people that are successful that have inherited money and done big things with it. So don't let your past dictate your future. Before I get into Maisie's joke of the day, I want you to understand that you guide this channel. You guide my TikTok, my YouTube, my Instagram. The videos that you comment on, the videos that you like, and the comments that you comment, that's what I take to create this stuff. So make sure that you are commenting, liking all my stuff across all my platforms. And if you want to see a video, put it in there. If you want an answer to your question, ask it. I am the one that personally answers those questions. So do that. Here's Maisie's joke of the day. Why did the gym shut down? Just wasn't working out. All right, thanks for watching.